wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late, things we have to do can't wait.
Today I'm making a video of DIY school supplies, tropical leaf, and I'm so excited because I haven't seen anything like this on YouTube. As in like maybe a notebook or just one thing, but not the whole DIYs. And I'm super excited because one of you guys will win all of these DIYs because they're up for a giveaway. So get super excited and go to the description box to read all the rules so you can participate. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell to get a notification when I get a new video. Give a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Follow my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. Now let's start.
DIY notebook. For this DIY, we're going to get a notebook, contact paper white. Now we're going to cover it with the contact paper. Since it's a bit see-through, we have to cover this part. So get a circle cookie cutter that covers it completely. Now get glitter foamy, turn it around, and if you're lazy like me, do this so you don't have to trace it. Then cut it, and now we're going to glue it. Google tropical leaves and then cut it, and now we're going to glue them. Open your notebook and cut the excess off. Now get some sticker letters. We're going to put it on top of the notebook, and that's it. DIY pencil. For this DIY, we're going to get a silicone mold and we're going to add hot glue in it. Then we're going to cut its imperfections. We're going to paint it, and now we're going to glue it on our pencil, and that's it. It's super easy and it's so cute that I love it.
Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution.
DIY folder. For this DIY, we're going to get a folder. Now I'm going to paint 3 types of leaf in it. This is one of them. Then I'm going to paint this one that is like drawing little sticks, and it's super easy and it's so cute. And I draw a different one, and when it dries, I'm going to get my hot glue gun and I'm going to put glue on the edges. In this leaf, I added a little line on the middle so it can be extra cute. And now in this leaf, we're going to cover it completely, and it looks so pretty.
Head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late, things we have to do can.
DIY paper clip. For this DIY, we're going to do exactly the same as we did with the pencil. The only difference is that we're going to use a paper clip. I love so much how the pencil turned out that I had to make it on a paper clip. So now we're going to wait until it dries, and then we're going to glue it, and that's it, and it looks so pretty.
I'm saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around.
DIY pencil pouch. In this DIY, we're going to draw 2 types of leaves like the ones that I'm doing. This DIY is very similar to a folder. The only difference is that we're going to use glitter instead of glue. Now we're going to put glitter on all the edges and a line in the middle, and then with the leaves that are like little lines, we're going to cover it completely, and that's it, and it looks so pretty and adorable. By the way, guys, when do you start school, and what is your favorite class?
One step ahead and we will bring you down. Whoa, me and my army, we will take you
my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a huge thumbs up, and comment down below. Follow my Snapchat and my Snapchat. See you later. So goodbye. Bye.
The world, blue skies and night swings, never keeping track of time.